All right, so today I'm gonna test my new crews. I added 7 more crews, and today we're gonna also test how more efficient they are being because of the new machine that I just bought. So let's just check it out. If you remember, the machine that I bought, the one that I put a post saying that's $100,000 on a tile cutting machine. So that machine we have it to make all the cuts for our coping and our tile, right? So we get when the guys come to install it, they're more efficient okay. So right now it's 11 a.m. Look, 11 a.m. They started installing tile today. This is my tile crew. My tile crew it's 10 guys. All they do is install tile. That's the only thing they do. It's installing tile. I already had all the cuts for the coping and the tile already made at the warehouse. All they did was bring the pallet of the tile already cut over here, and it's 11 a.m. So they've been working since 8, 9, 10, 11. So 4 hours. Go check it out. This job had no tile installed, no tile. Check out the progress. Okay, so I have one guy installing the tile for the planters, and look at this. This actually makes me happy. In 4 hours, the guys installed all the coping of the full, the coping of the pop, and the coping, and they're doing already the coping on all the stairs right now. That's unfreaking believable. I separated, instead of having everybody together, I separated every crew. Every crew has a specific task. Every crew has their own job. Every crew has to have their specialty. Okay? So his job is to do block work and forming. So he does everything that's all of our barbecue. He's doing a barbecue island right now. Using all the block on the all the block on the planter walls, and he did the planter walls over there too. And that's all he has to do. He started here. He started here Friday. Friday he already did the planter over there, planter over here, the barbecue over there. He formed the barbecue, did the rebar, and now they're doing the barbecue island right now, and that's it. Then he goes to our next job to start all the barbecue and the blockware on the other job. So, and that's it. Just takes 1 or 2 days in one job to the next one, I keep the jobs flowing and going a lot quicker. You know, that's the idea. So I want to eliminate the downtime in between jobs and in between phases. So I want constant movement on every one of my projects, and that's what I'm trying to create. Just constant movement on other guys. So it's gonna be done over here, onto the next job to start working on the block work and that one. And then as soon as the tall guys are done installing tile, we're going straight to the next one where he's gonna have all the block work already ready for them, and then these guys can just install the tile there. This crew right here, their specialty is just to prep the pools for tile install. So for example, if we have a pool, then he's gonna be doing the waterproofing, the brown coating, and if we have planter walls, then he's gonna be doing all the stucco work for around the pool. So this crew right here, we're only doing decking. That's the only thing they do. They either do the pavers that go around the pool, like this case, or they form, do rebar, do the drainage, and then they pour concrete on the decking around the pool. All right, so we're checking out this project right here, and these guys, right, who are, by the way, having lunch right now. These guys are my tile prep crew. So we have two. We have 2 tile prep crews. All they do is they prep. So you see, they started doing the water. They just started doing the waterproof for the whole spa, making sure it's all waterproof so it prevents the calcium. Then they start brown coating all the walls that we're gonna be doing stucco on. That's what they're doing over there right now. And then they already took all the measurements for the coping, and they're cutting the pieces at the warehouse right now. So the plan is, today's Monday, that my tile crew is gonna be done with tile at the other job on Wednesday, and then Thursday my tile crew is gonna be here installing all this tile. But for that to happen, I need to make sure that all those walls, everything's waterproofed, all the tiles already cut, all the walls are already stuccoed, my planter walls are already built, my block is for the fireplace is already built. So a lot of things need to happen to make sure that we get it done, get these guys over here by Thursday. Okay, so this crew right here, all they do is prep for turf. This is the turf crew. All they do is prep for turf and install turf. That's all they're doing every day. So we're gonna be moving them from job to job, and all they're doing is installing turf. All right, this right here is a tile cutting crew. This crew right here, all they do is literally cut tile. All right, it's 5 o'clock. We're back to this job. Let's go check it out. I want to see if my new style of building pools is working. So we're gonna check out the progress today. We got here like at 11. Now it's 5 o'clock. So looks like the tile's almost done here. This planter's almost done with tile. Let's see. My block guys already poured the concrete for this, for the counter. They poured the concrete for the barbecue. They built this wall right here, the block guys. Now they're building the last wall over there. They built that wall over there. They're building the last wall right here. Esta es la última, ¿verdad? La última. They already built that one over there too. What else do we have? Then the tile guys are already doing the wood tile over there on top. The water line's halfway done. Really good progress. I would say super really good progress. I think by tomorrow we should be almost done with this job. We'll see.